Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. Form translation requirement gathering tips for sales order delivery billing or else whatever the output you take. Okay. So here the basically for translations, technical people use this transaction for SC63, and so this is nowhere you're not going to handle this transaction being a functional consultant. So just for information, I'm showing this one. Okay. So before moving ahead for our tips, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more real-time inputs like this. If you're really serious enough to handle the things well in your interview or else in real time, please subscribe all these courses. This is one of my top course, 111 hours. Okay, sales and distribution. These two courses I specifically recommend for SD, everybody, because so how to write a functional specification is the key for support enhancement and implementation projects. So this is for your idoc training 6 scenarios I have explained. If you are keen and interested, this is one of my top course for pricing. I have different courses like this. I'm just providing these links below of this video, including support tips and support tickets, and everything is available over here. So thank you. Thanks for joining this session. Let's move ahead for discussion. So if you clearly watch, assume that all these are the different requirements, how you have to capture it. Translation requirements, let me explain you. Okay. Before that, let me show you how you can able to understand the translation requirements. So let's check. Suppose if someone has given, see, it depends on different requirements. Okay. If you can able to watch what I would say on screen, Google. Okay. So let me put some kind of terms. I'll show you some examples. For example, this is actually, these are the terms related to translations of certain things which you already know in English. Let's try to check. This is in Serbian language. The same thing. This is the example I'm showing you in this notepad. It is in Serbian language, but actually, so all these translations, they will give how they will give. I will explain you. Okay. Before, let's see this. For example, this is thing they can give, they can mark in PDF form, or else they can able to give here. So what should we do? Let's put here in English. Okay, that means, okay, Google Translate. Okay, let's put it. This is Serbian text. If you can see, this is what is the meaning in this. This is the basically the total actually. Okay, in the similar way, if you come here, PDV. Okay, so it looks like English term only, right? But exactly this is the tax in Serbian language. If you put PDV here, see, it is showing VAT. Okay, by using Google Translator, you can able to understand this. Certain times in support projects, if they don't give enough information to understand, or else certain time they might write an email in their language. Okay, so this is gross total. So in the similar way, if you come here, okay, this we can little understand. This looks like a material, as it's exactly the material. Okay, so let's come here. Let's check few more. This is VAT total. You can see this. This is total, and this you can understand. What is this OPIFs? This we got these kind of things in e-invoicing also in our current project. So this is description. Okay, this is how you can able to understand by using Google Translator. Okay, let's try to come here how they will give. If they don't give also, you need to gather the requirements. Suppose if you see this, okay, Control Z, Control C. Let's go to the, what I would say, Excel. If you copy here, suppose if you would like to gather the same requirement, okay, so existing form is available. So English, okay, for translation. So you have to write it like, material, okay, and total and VAT, like that you have to write it. You keep this Serbian language or German language or else Russian language Okay, or any language for that matters. Your customer will fill these items and they'll give it to you. See, a lot of discussions will happen. So don't think that outputs are easy when you compare with other requirements, but you have to understand all these things. Let me show you quickly what is SC63. This is how you have to gather the requirement. Okay, previously I have given few more tips. Okay, this is got expired. So let me log in again quickly. I will share my screen. Give me a moment. So just wanted to show you. Just wanted to show you the transaction, how what technical people use. This is called SC63. Okay. This is basically, if you look at here, you click here other text. Don't worry, you need not learn all these things. But still I'm showing you. Okay. So you see this Q5 PDF based forms. If you select this, within this PDFB, they will choose the object name. This is basically source language and target language, and so you will have a certain technical information. You have to give the form name so that you can able to see this source and target. Also they can able to map it by using. So it is not required. This is a technical job done by technical consultants. So this is one way you can able to gather the requirements. Certain times, as I shown you, they will give the form. Within the form, they will try to mark it in their language. That also one way you can able to see that one. Okay, so I think you have learned something good nowadays. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. If you really want to learn full learning, you can join my courses. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. All the best. Jai Hind.